I focused on high-ticket affiliate products, building a strong online presence with content marketing and leveraging paid traffic. I chose profitable niches like SaaS tools and online courses, creating content to nurture my email list and scale traffic sources. The main strategies included profitable niches, valuable content, optimizing traffic, and email list building. Choosing the right affiliate products was crucial. High-ticket items and recurring commissions led to faster earnings. Content creation was key. It helped build trust and provided more opportunities to attract traffic and generate affiliate sales. I used a mix of organic and paid traffic, optimizing ads on various platforms to reach targeted audiences. Email marketing was essential. I nurtured a targeted list and converted leads into customers with valuable offers. Challenges included finding products, managing ads, and fluctuating traffic. Optimizing strategies helped overcome these. I scaled by optimizing traffic generation and increasing ad budget while outsourcing content and ad management. Start with a niche you're passionate about, focus on high-quality content, and build an email list early. It took about 18 months to reach $300,000. Building traffic and a steady email list improved the scaling process. Focusing on high-ticket products, valuable content, targeted traffic, and email marketing enabled my $300,000 earnings.